Guys, I'm so bored. I don't know what to do. Yeah, me neither, brother. Oh, yeah, we are brothers. Me, Enard, and Puppet are brothers, so, yeah. I'm bored. So, I also am. Hey, wait, I see two people up in the distance. Oh, the bomb! Oh! I just hit the trash bag. Somebody threw a bomb at us. Get your weapons, boys. Come on, let me get mine. Oh, there you go. Stop being difficult. Guys, we need to take the high ground. I see them. Come on. Oh no, I missed. I need to take cover. I need to reload. This is going to be off camera. Okay. I just reloaded. Okay. I'm going to do it for the boys. I need to get my gun. I'm going to have to get up close with them. Take this. Oh. Uh-oh. I need to reload. Okay. Now I can shoot you. Die. I need to go with Puppet. You made a Springtrap. Yes, I did. We just need to take cover. Okay. We just did it with friend. No. Oh yeah, Enard. Get my gun. I got a pistol. Guys, I got a pistol. Yeah. Wait, I think I see something. No, wait, no, I don't. Wait. I'm gonna sneak around. Somebody captured Freddy, guys!
Oh no! A grenade!
Get the grenade and throw it at that pink bear! The rainbow. Throw it! I'm gonna shoot it! Oh,
Frank, that
get Freddy out of there! What? Oh no, the baby! The baby! Their pet baby! Okay, Freddy, you just stay there. You'll be okay. God, I don't know what just happened. We need to get you some stuff that you can heal. Take that Gatorade. Take this magic Gatorade. It'll heal you. Trust me, it has before. I'm gonna get going. Okay.
Thanks, Bingy Jack.
Okay, here's your gun. Take your gun. Let me get mine. Wait a minute.
Be mine or Freddy's.
What? No, that's yours. That's yours.
Okay. Hey Freddy, we got grenades all over the place. Just take one of these.
Oh man. Wait, do you think they're all dead? Oh no, no,
Goo goo gaga.
no! Goo goo gaga. Yes, massive dodging skills! Goo goo gaga? Daddy. Oh. 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 I think we did it. Well, forget these stupid freaking guns. Guys, I have a giant dog. Rolf. Oh, wait, no, it's... I don't think they're okay, Puppet. Oh, okay. Oh, it's so bright. Can't see out there. You guys okay? Oh, it's like God. Oh, the giant baby got me! Ah, ah!
What I think it is?
Oh, it's the giant baby!
Light.
Oh. The giant baby's got me! Ah!
I gotta go towards the light.
The giant baby got me! She has me!
Make sure you're nice to her, okay?
Okay. Oh, guys, you need to help me. Oh, it's got my ear. Oh.
Wait a second, I'm alive. Oh.
Guys, this giant baby, we need to stop. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little baby. I think it's asleep. Yeah, it's definitely asleep. No.
What? Let me shoot it.
Guys, I think we should leave it alone. Let's go.
Yeah, that baby's too powerful.
Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching our videos. Can we reach 10 subscribers, please? Oof! So, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's a mess because of the war.
Yeah. Oh, and also Christmas Day, you know. That kind of
true,
stuff.
Well,
Yeah.
we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, yesterday was Christmas, you know.
So-
It's gotta be messy.
Bye. Oh my God, it's coming back! No, it's got the gun!